Hello everyone, it's Marvin with Ammj again here. We have a new product. You probably wouldn't notice it at first glance where it is or what it's doing here, but in the effort of hyping it up, here's what they look like. They are 3D printed right now out of a carbon fiber infused material that I'll probably have to put the specs in the description because I forgot to write it down to look at it. And yeah, so essentially what they are is they are throw levers for your illuminator on your dual laser illuminators, you know. And I had that issue, you know. I've been playing with the night vision stuff for a little bit thanks to a lot of friends that I've met, and been able to go out and try this out. And my biggest issue was the illuminator. I'm still new, but you know, I'd see what I can. The illuminator was like, you got to put 3 fingers around it to twist it, or 2, you know, and it looks like purple nurple, you know. I don't like doing that. And you cover up the illuminator or whatever to twist it. You do the claw or the, you know, whatever. So this little throw lever closed up, opened up. This goes right there, like so. You can move your whatever that thing you put there is, you know, a diffuser or whatever you put. This is just a cover. No, nothing clear there. So that's for the D-Ball A3, and then this is for other styles that have almost a 360 rotation. You know, obviously I'm holding it here to the camera. I'm gonna try and hold it like if I was shooting from the hip on night vision, you know. There it goes, right there, like that. You know, don't touch the suppressor because of the hand guard that I also make. Shooting from the hip. I don't know if that's how you people do it, but like I said, I'm new to that. And then you got your controls, so you can thumb everything, you know. Everything has been cleared, and empty magazines. Yes, and with this, fire button, you know, fire, pressure pad, you know. And then you got this, open, or sorry, close, open, close, you know. Now, I wanted to make these as light and thin as possible, because if anything happens, I want this lever to break, not the unit, you know, that everything being so small and delicate. And I'll show you guys how to they just press on with friction. I recommend use a little bit of crazy glue if that makes you feel safer, you know, and that way if it breaks off, you can replace it. Over here we got this cap also comes off, and you can still use it, you know. My sound effects for my 3-year-olds. I do have 3-year-old children, so you can see that you don't have to sacrifice, you know, the feature of the diffuser or the cover. And yeah, I like these throw levers. I'm gonna make some more for some more models. I got some friends sending me other models of dual laser illuminators so that I can make some more throw levers. So this one, is gonna come in a 2-pack. You're gonna have the 3, like a little airplane, or the 2 for that style of illuminator. And then for the D-Ball, for the A3, is this one is also a 2-pack, and they are carbon fiber infused filament at the moment. It gives me some freedom to play with these things. Now, because this is like almost a little more than a 45 degrees throw, I angled it a little bit down, so just in case you torque it, you know, it slips off, you know, you don't end up hurting the lens assembly in there, you know. Up is more intentional, but to close it, to open it is quick. Flick it open, you know. This one is not as quick, but you can dial it pretty quickly, I think. And yeah, the only other thing that I recommend is, if you can get into your unit and lubricate your O-rings in the lens assembly. Now, to do it on the D-ball, these two screws that are holding this bikini cover, you pop them off, and those are actually pilots holding the track of that little the cylinder assembly of that, to keep it from popping out. Because just grease them, because if you run it dry, you're gonna run out the dowels in there. So when you take it apart, I'll put in another video showing you how to do that. You very gently pull it out, and you have to make sure that the little dowels don't, if they fall out, you know where they go, okay? And that way you can put them back in. And you just take everything apart, lubricate it. Don't breathe into it. Don't get dust into it, this or the lens. And yeah, lube it up, lithium grease, real quick. Not super cake, just like a little film. Put it back together, put the screws back on. I'll probably I'll put some more video of me doing it so people have a better idea. That's it. I think it's good. It helped me, this product, and they should be up on the website tonight when I put this video up. And if they're already up, then they've been up, you know. So very handy little tool to add to your already you know, stuff that we fidget around with in the dark and trip over stuff. So thank you very much. Hit us up on Instagram, Ammj Detroit, and then the website is yep, in the links. And thank you. Goodbye.